Write Lewis structures of nitrite ion NO2 minus 1. Solution. Step first. For drawing the Lewis structure, first count the total number of valency electrons of nitrogen atom and oxygen atom plus 1 for the one negative charge. The formula is number of valency electron in the nitrogen plus 2 multiplied by number of electrons in the oxygen atom in their valence shell plus 1. It is for one negative charge. So number of valence electron in the nitrogens are 5 and 2 multiplied by number of valence electrons in the oxygens, and these are 6 plus 1. So the total number of valence electrons in both the atoms are 18 electrons. Step second. The skeletal structure of NO2 minus is written as ONO. Here central atom is nitrogen atom. Step 3. Draw a single bond, that is one shared electron pair between the nitrogen and each oxygen atom for completing the octet on oxygen atoms. Look at here the skeletal structure of nitrite, which is ONO. The first we write their valency electron. There are 5 valency electrons on the nitrogens, and this written in the form of 5 dots, and the 6 valency electron in the oxygen, and this written in the form of 6 dots, means 3 pair of electrons on the oxygen atom. For the formation of the octet, the first, each of the oxygen atom and each of the nitrogen atom share 1 electrons and forming a single covalent bond. But nitrogen cannot form their octet. It is a short for 1 electron. This does not complete the octet. Here again, one nitrogen is share another electron with one of the oxygen atom, and then forming a second covalent bond between the one oxygen atom, and then count the number of electrons around the nitrogen atom. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of nitrogen, and shared 6, 7 and 8. So octet of nitrogen is completed, and octet of the first oxygen is completed by sharing the 2 electrons with nitrogen and forming a double bond. And the second oxygens, number of electrons are, count the number of electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one shared electron by nitrogen, 7. An additional electron is in the form of negative charge. So octet is completed. Hence there is a multiple bond between nitrogen and one of the oxygen atom, means it is a double bond, in which the first bond is the sigma bond and second bond is the pi bond. The remaining 2 electron constitutes a lone pair on nitrogen atom. Look at here, the 1 electrons is present, and these are non-bonding electrons, or we called lone pair of electrons, and oxygens 1, 2, 3, 4, and this forms the 2 lone pair of electron, and another oxygens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and these are written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look at the following Lewis dot structures of NO2 minus. The first one, the formation of the double bond between the first oxygen and the nitrogen, and there are two lone pair of electrons, and another single bond between the second oxygen nitrogen and the oxygens, and these pair 1 2 3 pair 1 2 3 4 5 6, and nitrogen remains these two electrons, and like this. Okay, in the second structure the shared electrons are represented by the dash, and this is covalent bond. And another third example, here this bond is transferred from this oxygen to this oxygen, and this negative charge is transferred from this, or also we say this pair of electron transfer from this oxygen to this, and formation of the double bond between this oxygen and nitrogens.
For newer and newer videos, please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon button for updated videos.